Hello everyone, I am Vishal Singh from Rock Potter YouTube channel, and in this video we will talk about keyword and SEO. Keyword are the search term that people use on search engine to find information or relevant website. Basically, when you Google and type in a word or phrase, you are searching for a keyword. Keywords are important because by using keywords of your blog, website, Google is able to know it is the relevant topic that people are searching for. This is the one way Google know when to recommend your website to someone, and this is the major SEO concept that you need to understand for your success. So in this video we will talk about three most important things to know more about keyword and SEO. Number 1, what's in a good keyword. Number 2, how to choose best keyword for you. Number 3, why should you have a keyword strategy. So let's start with number 1. When you're looking for good keyword, you should evaluate the keyword search volume, competition, price, word count, and intent. This may seem like a daunting task, but there are tools available to help with this. The search volume of keywords show you how popular a keyword is. It's also show how many times the keyword has been searched. Search volume can show you insight into the potential traffic that you could get on your site. The competition of keyword is as important as search volume. This is because you may do better ranking on a keyword that has smaller search volume but less competition. The popular keyword with higher ranking are more likely you are to be up against the well-defined websites that are also fighting for top result searching rank. The price of the keyword is the amount that costs an advertiser when someone clicks on their ad after searching the keyword. If you are planning on advertisement, you need to consider CPC, cost per click, and decide it is worth the pricing of keyword to pay the advertising of that keyword. For example, if the CPC, cost per click, for a keyword workout is $5 and you are making an average of $6 for each website visitor, it may not worth for spending so much amount on that keyword. Word count is the number of words in a keyword. For example, workout. Workout has a word count of 1 and it's bold keyword. 30-minute workout for app. 30-minute workout for apps has a 5 word count and will be much easier to effectively target the searcher and that you want on your site. Finally, you need to consider the intent behind the people are searching for the keyword. This will help in decide what are the right keyword for you. For example, someone trying to buy this phone. Your main intention will be focusing on right keyword for this phone. Now let's know about number 2. Find out what your website is currently ranking for and build for that. If you have content or web page and that will certify someone's search, that is the good place to be. Use words that will search to find similar content. Ask your friend what word they will use to find your content. Avoid keywords that have multiple meaning. Look for long tail keyword with specific intent with low competition. Now let's know about number 3. Keyword strategy help in ensure that you are driving the relevant traffic. Number 2, identify quick win opportunities. Number 3, set expectation around ranking. Number 4, helps in measure the impact of your effort. Now let's talk about how to developing a strategy. The first thing you need to find out what is your performance and benchmark your current ranking. This will going to help you in find out where are you right now and also help you in where are you want to be in future. Now you have to choose your key performance indicator and set your goal, and also remember to keep your goal smarter. Understanding your competitor and what are they doing is the one of the main way to find out what are you doing right and what opportunity you are missing out. This is also help you in find out where you need to keep up your work. Once you have your keyword ready, group it into topic and analyze it. You have to make sure that the keyword you choose is going to help you in find your goal and key performance indicator that you are already outlined. And of course, the last step is analyze your performance and the performance of the keyword that you have chosen to find out your keyword strategy. That's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, thumbs up the like button and make sure that you have subscribed the channel. Let's thank CEO of this channel for making this channel alive. I will see you in next video. For now, bye bye and take care.